RQ-21A Blackjack is the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps' small tactical unmanned aircraft system designed and manufactured by In Situ Incorporated, a wholly owned subsidiary of the Boeing Company. RQ-21A Blackjack is a Group 3 UAV. The RQ-21 provides aerial surveillance in austere environments with leaving a small footprint, as it doesn't require an airstrip to deploy. Assessing the fight without putting warfighters at risk requires real-time monitoring and analysis to provide actionable information to commanders on the ground or at sea. RQ-21A Blackjack, the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps Small Tactical Unmanned System Program of Record, delivers safety from above to support your most critical operations. The Blackjack is made by In Situ, a Boeing Incorporated subsidiary in Washington. A small, tactical aircraft, it can carry payloads of 39 pounds maximum and stay aloft more than 16 hours, depending on how it's configured. It has a line-of-sight range of 64 miles, according to Boeing's website. Unlike similarly sized drones, such as the RQ-7, the Blackjack has no need for an actual runway of any kind. The complete system, which consists of 5 RQ-21s, a launcher, a skyhook recovery system, 2 trailer-mounted generators, and 4 Humvees with various other necessary components and pieces of equipment, is relatively mobile, as well. The RQ-21A Blackjack is designed to support the U.S. Marine Corps by providing forward reconnaissance. A Blackjack system is composed of 5 air vehicles and 2 ground control systems. The air vehicles can be launched on land or on a ship by rail and land using a skyhook recovery system, where a vertical wire must be hooked onto its wing. When on the ground, the launch and recovery systems are towable by vehicles. The U.S. Marine Corps deployed its first RQ-21A Blackjack system to Afghanistan in late April 2014. One Blackjack system is composed of 5 air vehicles, 2 ground control systems, and launch and recovery support equipment. It supports intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, missions using multi-intelligence payloads including day and night full-motion video cameras, an infrared marker, a laser rangefinder, a communications relay package, and automatic identification system receivers. The models in Afghanistan were early operational capability, EOC, aircraft without shipboard software or testing. Deploying the aircraft on the ground was a method to detect and fix problems early to avoid delaying the project. The RQ-21 returned from its deployment on September 10, 2014 after flying nearly 1,000 hours in 119 days in theater. EOC Blackjacks will continue to be used for training, while completion of shipboard testing is planned to result in the system's first ship-based deployment in spring 2015.